Take a look at your paycheck. Is it still doing all the heavy lifting? Or did your investments quietly past it without telling you? Most people miss the tipping point because early progress looks like a failure. A $300 gain in a portfolio feels like a rounding error next to a $50,000 salary. Your job covers the rent and buys the groceries. Your investments toss you a few $100 and call it progress. Your brain expects the clean, linear relationship on the left. You work 40 hours, you get paid. It's predictable. But markets move on the jagged frequency you see on the right. One month looks flat, the next jumps, and the next dips. Those small, erratic gains aren't a sign that your strategy is broken. They are the friction of an economic engine as the parts begin to bolt together. This bar chart shows why the results feel so small in the beginning. For the first 5 years of investing, your portfolio's value is driven almost entirely by your manual contributions, represented by these large blocks. Market growth is just that razor-thin layer on top. If you're putting in $6,000 a year, your first-year market gain might land around $300. By year 3, that growth could reach $1,200, and by year 5, maybe $4,000. This is the phase where most people bail. The noise feels louder than the rewards, so it's tempting to start tinkering with your assets or chasing hot stocks right before the compounding engine begins to accelerate. In these early chapters, your success depends entirely on your savings rate. Patience acts as the ultimate filter, separating those who reach financial freedom from those who stay stuck in the cycle of manual labor. The rigid staircase of monthly savings melts into an upward curving ramp. Growth generates its own momentum. A 10% move on $10,000 adds $1,000. But on $100,000, it adds $10,000. The surface area for returns has expanded. This leads to the quiet crossover, the moment your portfolio's average annual gains officially surpass your annual salary. This growth is inherently more efficient than a paycheck. While your salary is carved up by taxes, commuting, and insurance before you ever see it, investment growth compounds friction-free. A dollar generated by capital is more powerful than a dollar earned at a desk because it stays in the engine, accelerating the cycle even faster. To reach this crossover, you have to stop judging your progress by last month's returns. Instead, you need a specific portfolio target tied to the income you want to replace. This logic tree shows the portfolio size required to generate $50,000 in a typical year. A conservative withdrawal strategy at 4% requires $1.25 million. A moderate 6% approach targets $830,000, while an aggressive 10% model points to roughly $500,000. Aiming for an unrealistic target can lead to behavioral paralysis, while aiming too low often invites reckless leverage to try and close the gap. Once you select your number, you let the system do the heavy lifting. This means automated deposits, reinvested dividends, and index funds that keep fees from eroding your progress. Shifting your focus to a fixed mathematical target replaces the anxiety of chasing market returns with a clear, actionable roadmap. The crossover is almost always anticlimactic. No banking app sends a notification. You simply go to work one day and realize your capital quietly added $50,000 to your net worth in the background. To spot this, look at your rolling 3 to 5 year averages. Single-year snapshots are just weather. The rolling average shows you the actual climate of your wealth. You'll know the balance is tilting when your annual investment gains exceed the new cash you deposited from your paycheck. Eventually, that rolling average return will climb until it aligns with your actual salary. You may also notice a psychological shift. The routine monthly swings in your portfolio balance are now larger than the annual raise you fought for at your job. Reaching these milestones confirms you've created a financial version of yourself that works 24/7 without burnout, sick days, or meetings. Once your capital begins to outwork your labor, your only remaining job is to protect that compounding machine from your own emotional errors. Early gains build the foundation, a fixed target guides the math, and rolling averages confirm that your capital has taken the lead. Drop your crossover target number and your estimated timeline in the comments. In our next video, we'll build the exact low-cost portfolio designed to hit that target. Financial freedom is a math equation that moves closer to a solution with every automated deposit you make.